This wriggling little guy is a baby braconid wasp. It's bursting out of a cottonwood dagger caterpillar and starting to spin a cocoon. Believe it or not, this somewhat gruesome scene is part of a healthy, balanced ecosystem. Until now, the caterpillar served as the wasp's food and nursery. Braconid wasps are parasitoids. That means they first infect but eventually kill their host animals to survive. Regular parasites generally don't kill their hosts outright. The cycle begins when a parasitoid lays eggs inside or on the caterpillar or on top of the caterpillar's food. As the larvae hatch and grow, they feed on the caterpillar's internal organs. They often save the most important parts for last to keep their host alive. Some parasitoids, like this tachinid fly, grow to nearly the same size as their host before bursting out. After emerging from the caterpillar, these parasitoids pupate and develop into adults. Then they search for a new host to lay eggs, starting the cycle over. Parasitoids have a special purpose. They keep their host populations in check. Without them, the caterpillar population could skyrocket out of control and destroy the trees that they eat. Some parasitoids are used to help control invasive species and pests that otherwise could devastate the environment. So, they can help keep the ecosystem healthy. Sometimes, helpful things come in wriggling packages.